The plane I normally fly, 107 Tango Sierra, a Cessna Cutlass, aka a 172 RG, had an issue with getting its gear up and down. So I took out a stick-legged 172 40 Sierra Papa to do some practice. I practice all the time. This time in an unusual airplane for me, I set my power downwind, and as I'm on base turning for final, I notice that I'm a little low.
Middletown traffic. Skyhawk 40 Sierra Papa is on short final for 2-3. Middletown.
As you look at the lights on the left side of the runway, they're all red. When you have all red lights, you give the plane more power and adjust the trim so you lose no more altitude, which is what I'm doing. You're not going to allow yourself to lose any altitude until you have some white lights coming on. And there it looks like I have one white light. No, maybe not. Still no. Oh, there we go. One white light.
Helicopter 8 Bravo Charlie. Do we get some 100 low lead? You get a chance?
So let's do a nice smooth one. Start looking down the runway since you got it made. Down the runway. Down the runway. There we go. Made it in just fine. Now, I'm going to get my flaps up and let's go try that again. See if I can make it a little smoother. See if I can make it a little higher. I'll catch you up again as we are at base. So I'm on base, turning final, and as I come out this time, all the lights are white. You can see I'm significantly higher. So when I was downwind and I set my power, I set it higher. So my last time, all the lights were red at this point. Now they're all white. So I'm going to wait until after I'm by these trees, and then I'm going to pull back power. And there we have one red light has come on, dropping down, still one red light. There we go, a second red light. We're now on the proper glide slope. 3 red lights, may have gotten myself just a little low. Three red. Let's get this puppy done. Look, down the runway, down the runway, down the runway. Oh, looks like we're right on the numbers. Straight down the center. Now let's just barely touch those wheels. Good job. So there we have one low approach, one high approach. Both of them resulted in an absolutely delightful landing. And you do that by practicing, knowing what you have to respond to when you set yourself up differently. Practice, practice, practice. See you next time.
Skyhawk 40 Sierra Papa is clear of active runway at Middletown.